In this video, I will show you how to use Banana Gun Sniper bot. In order to do that, head over first to your Telegram and search for Banana Gun Sniper underscore bot, and you should be able to see this. For this one, click onto the start option in order to start this. After that, click onto this go to registration bot in order to register. Now from there, click onto the start. And then once you have done that, you can go and then verify or create a wallet first. For this one, I'll create a wallet. And then for this one, let me just click on this. Let's name our wallet and then just send it. And then once you have done that, it will give you your wallet address right here. Just copy this address that you want right here for your wallet. Now, once you have done that, you just need to verify your sell bot. So click on this right here. Now just head over and then start this. And once you have actually added all of those things, you can head over and utilize this for yourself.